Electricians harness electricity to power the world around us. At NASA, they power missions reaching worlds beyond our solar system. Power moves where an electrician creates a path. They install, troubleshoot, and repair the systems that deliver electricity to homes, businesses, schools, and just about everywhere we go. Their job is to ensure power is distributed safely and efficiently. Electricians read technical blueprints to map out electrical systems, connect miles of wiring and conduit, the pipes that house the wiring, and install breakers and electrical panels that regulate the flow of electricity.
My name is Levi James, and I'm an electrical apprentice here at NASA's NEAT facility. These electricians get power where it needs to go, starting from power generation to your substations, to your home or businesses, all the way down to outlets and appliances and equipment in a facility.
At NASA, electricians work on complex electrical systems for spacecraft and aircraft. They work in laboratories and launch facilities to support the advancement of research and flight hardware.
So being an electrician at NASA, you work with large cables, you work with larger sized conduits, but we also work with voltages upwards to 700, 800 volts in order to actually power an electric aircraft motor.
While most homes are powered at 120 volts of electricity, at NASA, electricians can manage nearly 7 times that intensity to power experimental flight. As an electrician apprentice, Levi wires and connects the high voltage circuits required to test the next generation of sustainable flight.
So working at NASA and working on spacecraft and aircraft, it feels unique and it feels large scale. The NASA specific mission that I got to work on was a joint effort with Magnex with their Magnex 650 motor, where we tested up to about 750 kilowatts on this electric motor. Getting to see that motor powered up and just spin was actually a really cool thing to do, especially when you look at it and you realize that you helped get that power, that you helped make that possible. So a typical day here at the NEAT facility for me, you'll come in, you'll start your morning safety review or your walkthrough for what kind of tasks that need to be done for the day. So I check up with my journeyman, my leads, we figure out what we're doing for the day, and then we just get to work until it's time to go.
For an electrician, the journey begins as an apprentice, mastering the trade under supervision to earn required field hours. Passing a state exam leads to becoming a journeyman with the credentials to work independently and lead specific tasks. The final tier is the master electrician, bringing the deep experience and licensing required to design complex systems and oversee entire operations. Beyond the certification and the technical expertise, the true value of being an electrician is found in that moment electricity flows and possibility becomes reality.
The most rewarding part about being an electrician is when your project's all done and it's working, is being able to step back and realize that I did that. It's a really good feeling to have when you realize that I built that and it's doing what it's supposed to.
Mastery of the trade not only provides a sense of accomplishment, it also provides a lifelong skill that serves the community and helps those closest to home.
As an electrician, with the skills that you gain, you can use them everywhere, not just at work. You can help your local communities, you can help your family.
Whether it's home repair or a high voltage test bed, the mission depends on the same fundamental expertise. Because in a world that runs on power, there are no limits to where these skills can lead.